Hello, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my channel. And to some of you guys that have seen my previous videos, I was talking about why I can only wear surgical mask. And the reason behind that is basically is due to my health. I have got asthma, and for some reason I feel like my oxygen is really low, so I find it really difficult to breathe. I have tried several masks, and I found out that the surgical mask is the one that I can actually use. I can use it longer than the other mask. And for some of I know that I can be exempt because of my condition, but I choose not to. I thought like as much as I could, I can try and wear the mask. It's obviously it's also for my own protection, and to protect others as well. And so here, guys, this is why. That's the main reason. And for you guys who have got asthma there, try and use surgical mask. Trust me, guys. This one works. It's really good. And I thought, like, for me, I think, even so, we have got this condition, hidden disabilities, they call it. I think we can still try and use mask. And as I said, it's just for all our own protection and to protect others as well. So I hope you guys you can try this mask, and I hope this one will work for you as well, like I do. So why I choose to wear mask even so I've got asthma? Well, it's simple, because I feel that because I've got this condition, I'm more likely to catch anything, basically any bacteria, because also my immune system is very low. So I know sometimes it's quite hard to breathe, but I wear it for as long as I could possibly hold it. But I find, as I said, like I find with the surgical mask is actually the best one to use if you're having trouble with breathing, because it's still, the fabric is not that actually thick. I find that when I wear the cloth, the fabric ones, because it's got like a couple of layers and it is thicker, I can't actually breathe with it. So as much as I would love to, because obviously they are washable, that's why for me, I try and find a way how to reuse the surgical mask, so that even so I'm using surgical mask and it's supposed to become disposable, I am still I'm still trying to help the environment by trying to reuse my surgical mask. And guys, if you want to know how I managed to reuse my surgical mask, obviously I still have to clean them. So please, guys, follow my videos. I have got some videos there and showing you guys of how I clean and reuse my surgical mask. Okay, so I hope you guys try this. Try and use surgical mask if you have got asthma, and trust me, guys, it works. So I hope it works for you too. God, I can breathe again. Okay, so this little surgical mask here, you can, in fact, reuse them. And today I'm going to show you how to reuse your surgical mask.